Yeah, hi everyone, here's Ron. I'm already back in Bangkok and let's talk today about the advantages of light travel and minimalistic travels. So, hey everyone, this is Ron. I'm back in Thailand again, and this time I have a very special challenge. I don't have any suitcase with me. Even though I'm traveling for several months, there's no suitcase, only a backpack, and this is the whole backpack I'm having right now, and this is it. I don't have anything else with me, and I travel only with this one single piece of luggage. So I just want to show you guys what I'm bringing with me when I travel to Thailand. This is basically it. This is the whole suitcase. It's actually a backpack that I can carry on anytime I want. And so this is how it looks like. It fits in any carry-on in any airline. I don't need to have a big suitcase with me. And when we open this backpack, it actually looks almost like a suitcase. So I have several cubes. I call them packing cubes, with my shirts in there and with other like t-shirts. Some pants are here. Here are some socks. And if you pack it like this, in total I have 4 packing cubes. You can have actually 3, and there's still space for anything else you might need, like your chargers, your jackets or whatever, and then you just close it and that's it, and off you go. So this is pretty much all my stuff that I'm bringing with me to travel to Thailand or anywhere I go. I'm here for several months and I'm still content with what I have. I have a MacBook Air with me, and I have those packing cubes with all my clothes are basically in here. I have here's my socks bag, my umbrella, my bag for all my chargers and cables, and this is my backpack that is can be taken with me as a carry-on luggage, and everything what you see here will fit inside the bag. So guys, this is it. This is my backpack, what I'm bringing with me. It's super comfortable to carry on, and it has like really nice straps, and it has like a secret pocket right here. You can put in something like a wallet or passport, and it's very comfortable to carry. And if you're interested to buying the same model, I put the link in the description where I bought it under the video. There you go. So, and why I am doing this challenge, I want to tell you a little bit about my background story. I travel every year, and last year I traveled again to 3 different countries. It was Bali in Indonesia, then it was Japan, and especially in Japan I traveled to several different places, and then Thailand. And usually when you go to a new country like Japan, you want to have great memories. But if you have like a luggage with you, you have a backpack and a big suitcase or a mid-size suitcase, your memories will be like carrying this heavy luggage with you. And especially in Japan, if you want to go to a place, you check out of hotel, you need to go to the airport or to the train station. You always have to carry this with you, and then you have to find the subway and you have to carry this again on the stairs, and you are sweating and it's heavy and it's annoying, and it kind of ruins your trip a little bit, and you don't want to have this memory having too much luggage with you. That's why the challenge. I want to try this minimalist travel lifestyle with only one luggage, that I can take with me on the plane and I don't need to check it in. So what are the advantages? The advantages, definitely you save money and time. You save money because you can take any budget airline, you can travel within the country, and it's much cheaper actually to fly without check-in baggage. And you save time because you arrive there at the airport and everyone is waiting for the luggage. It can take up to 1 hour if you're unlucky, but if you have only one piece of luggage on you already, then you just leave the airport and you go. You don't need to wait. So it's so much easier. So far I arrived in Thailand, and my next trip will be another country. It will be Singapore. I will be traveling with only this one backpack. And I think it will be great. I want to try it out and let's see what happens. But I do think it has many benefits. And I'm looking forward to enjoying the next 3-4 months traveling to different countries and not worry about checking luggage. Another story in Bali, I just remembered. In Bali, I had this little suitcase that I brought with me, and I thought I don't need to check it in because it was so small. And it worked when I flew into Bali, but when I was about to leave, they actually checked the weight and they discovered, oh, it's too heavy, we need to check it in. And then I actually had to pay quite a hefty fee for that. It was like around $100 or even a little bit more. But yeah, it's annoying if you need to pay extra money and check in, and it's just a hassle. I don't want to do this anymore. So it's a challenge for me. Let's see if it works or not. Yeah, here at the BTS station. It's kind of like a tram in Bangkok to get around. And I'm on my way to the MBK, which is one of the oldest, or at least the most famous shopping centers. Let's go. Once you have arrived in the Terminal 21, just take the elevator to the 5th floor and go straight to the big food court. $100. Yeah, look at this delicious meal. It's a chicken rice with some soup on the side, some fruits, fresh melon, and it's a green tea all together for about 70 baht, which is less than $3. Great deal. Yeah, that's it for today. I'm on my way home and I had a great day in Bangkok. I went to MBK to Terminal 21 and I enjoyed myself so much, not having to worry about anything. And in a few days I'm going to continue to travel to Chiang Mai and report from there. But this is the free life of being a minimalist and light travel without any big suitcases. I enjoy this new lifestyle so much and I highly recommend it if you want to try it. See you next time.